Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Guess what I've got here? The bargain bead box for August of 2024. Very excited to be opening this. If you're not familiar with the bargain bead box, I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box. These monthly boxes are $22.99 a month and they're valued between $60 and $80. So it's a really great subscription. So let me make sure I got everything in here. And, okay. So this one is called Peach Sorbet. Inspired by 2024's Color of the Year, this refreshing palette includes juicy peach tones swirled with strawberry and raspberry pinks. Oh, that sounds pretty. Plus accents of cream. Natural gemstones including strawberry quartz, hazelnut garnet, and rhodonite combine with sparkling crystals and golden findings for an icy fruity blend. We especially love the tiny agate peach and handmade Lamberg blossom beads. Okay, let me get, oh hello. Oh, look at those. Oh. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, look at this cute little, oh, look at the little, it's got little leaves on it and everything. Okay. Oh, pretty chain. Okay. Brass crimp beads. Oh, cool. Okay, let me get everything situated. Okay, so we are starting with number 1. It is a 27mm strawberry quartz and brass pendant. Oh, look at how beautiful this is. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's slippery. Look how pretty that is. Oh, this is a gorgeous box, I will say. And number 2 is 22mm peach moonstone and brass faceted marquee drops. Oh, so pretty. Look at that. I have my ring is a marquee. It's just going the opposite way. My husband had it set on our 20-year anniversary, I think it was. I love marquees. Look at how pretty that is. Ooh. Oh, I'm gonna have fun with this box. And number 3 is 8mm peach quartz dyed round beads, 15-inch strand. Oh. Look at these. These are absolutely beautiful. Holes are really well made. She does such a great job with this box every month. This is going to be so much fun working with this. And number 4 is 6mm pink rhodonite round beads, 15 inches. I love rhodonite. It's such a pretty pink. It's kind of like a carnation pink. Oh, they did such a great job of blending these this month. Ooh. Okay, number 5 is 3 to 4mm Hessonite garnet faceted round beads, 7.5 inches. These are really pretty for a pop of deep color in between these. This would be perfect for those. I love when they give us these tiny little dark beads if they have the bigger ones or lighter, because they really help them pop like that. Number 6 is strawberry quartz large chip beads, 7.5 inches. Ooh, these are heavy. Oh, look at these. We're gonna have fun with these. You know how excited I get when I get bead boxes. They're so pretty, and they're just a little bit odd in shape, which can give a piece of jewelry so much texture. Number 17 is 13x9mm 18 karat gold plated Yanyun agate peach charm. I don't know if I said that right. Look how cute that is. It's got the little leaves at the top. Oh, my son's fiance Kaya, she rescued a dog, and we call her Georgia because she was from a shelter in Georgia, and we call her Georgia Peach. That's her nickname. So this is like her little charm, and she has just become our love. She's so sweet. Number 8 is 8mm frosted glass synthetic moonstone beads, 7.5 inches. Oh, these are pretty. Look at that sparkle. They call these mermaid beads too. Moonstone, mermaid, there's all different names for those. Okay. And number 9 is 5mm freshwater shell round beads, 14.5 inches. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, these are really pretty. Freshwater shell beads. Oh, these are really nice, and they've got a nice smooth texture to them. Oh, I'm going to use up every bead in this box this month. And number 10 is 4mm crystal bicone beads in peach shimmer. I know we've gotten these before, the peach shimmer ones, and I used up all of them, the whole strand. So these are so beautiful. Oh. Okay, and number 11, oh, these are pretty, is 7.5 by 6mm glass rondo beads in apricot with gold wash. Wow. Look at that. Can you see that? Oh, gorgeous. Look at it. It has that little apricot hue to it. I thought it was more white in the bag till I took it out. Oh, these are beautiful. Okay, number 12 is 10 pieces of 15 by 14mm pressed glass leaf beads in olive ombre. These will be really pretty with the peach. Oh, I've got a really cool idea already for a pair of earrings. I haven't even finished the unboxing yet, and it's just on one side. I haven't even finished unboxing it yet, and I'm already getting ideas. Okay, and number 13, oh, I love these. Number 13 is 2 pieces of 10mm lampwork glass blossom beads in peach. Oh, how cute are these? Oh, yes, definitely have an idea. Either earrings or maybe a pendant to a necklace. My creative juices are flowing right now. Look at that. How cute is this? Leave me a note, comment down the bottom. Let me know if you get bargain bead box or not. Number 14 is 4 pieces of 18 by 8mm stainless steel marquee links. Oh, these are so much fun to work with. Yes, definitely getting ideas. These are so cute. Okay, and number 15 is 6 pieces of 6 by 14mm freshwater shell links. Oh, so it's the same as that. These are a little bit bigger than the strand. 1, 2, 3. So there's 5. Oh, there's 6 of them in there. The last one's in there. Oh, those would be pretty as connectors. And number 16, number 16 are 1 gram of 4mm 18-karat gold-plated brass bead caps. So let me get one of them. I'll turn it over and show you. So that's it. I don't know if you can see it. They have like a little scalloped edge to them. Very pretty. And number 17 is stainless steel lobster claw clasps. I'm not going to take these out because everybody knows what lobster clasp looks like. And there's a jump ring on it already, which is nice. Okay. And number 18 is 1 meter of 0.6 by 0.9 millimeter brass Coriana chain. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, this is really pretty. Now I know why they gave us the other things now with this. And it doesn't bend all the way. It's not like, then once again, I'll put it way later. Yeah, that. And number 19, 18 karat gold plated brass tube bailed beads. So look at, there's 4 of them. These are really nice because you can hang charms off of there. You can make handmade charms, hang them off of there. They have a lot you can do. And then we have 2 free bonuses. Brass clamshell beads, which I can never have enough of. I love using these. And then the brass crimp beads. I can never have enough of these. So look at this chain. This chain is so pretty. It's so delicate. Let me see if I can get it back in the bag without. Okay, I think I did it. Woo! Okay. Well, here is the Peach Sorbet collection box from Bargain Bead Box for August of 2024. I love this box. Cannot wait to start working with this. Like I said, I will leave a link below to Bargain Bead Box, and I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. I hope you enjoyed this boxing. Please give me a like below and leave me a comment. Let me know if you get this box or not. I'm always interested in hearing what my subscribers what they do when they're beading and what they work on and what kind of beads they use. So yes, definitely leave me a comment. And thank you, everybody. And stay tuned for my next video. And all of my social media links are below. And I hope you enjoy this and you have a great day.